Hey, it's Reese. Y'all already know. Welcome back for what? A quick little video. So with that being said, we're going to go ahead and get right into this actual video. Now, Liv, Liv the Stallion. Y'all might know her as that. Liv, what are you over there doing? But the thing I'm going to tell you, Liv, is that, honey, can you please put your videos in the correct order? Okay, because you say that you ain't with Brandon, but baby, by your videos, we don't know what is going on. Okay, we don't know. We don't know. All right, and it's quite annoying and irritating. It makes you literally want to click off of your videos, okay, and just watch, those boring ass lives that you put up. Okay, Liv, let me tell you. So I've been watching, your lives and stuff, Liv. And your lives have turned the wrong way, okay? 1 minute you get me, oh, Liv, hold the fuck up, Liv. I meant to ask you this. What happened with Jasmine and Chrissy? Liv, because we want to know, Liv, the Stallion, Liv, okay? Liv, I'm the only one really that know that you are Liv. I'm the one only know that you the Stallion. I'm the only one that know, and I call you correct by your name, because you a Stallion. You get me? You ain't nothing but a Stallion. All right. Now, Liv, getting back to it, I want to know what's going on. Because, see, at one point, you was over there, right? And you was all in Jasmine comments and shit. Not only that, but yesterday you was in the comments and, you was like, Jazz, don't cry. It'll be okay. Yeah, you was over there. So I'm like, oh, okay. Liv gotta know what's going down, right? So then I happened to look a little bit more and more. And you know what I'm saying? The Stallion. I started to pay attention and I noticed that you had been stripped from your powers. Yeah, you had been stripped from your powers. Now, many of y'all out there probably don't even know what I'm talking about. So, if you don't know what I'm talking about, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to put you down, okay? So, what I mean by Liv has been stripped of all her powers. Liv don't have the blue wrench no more. Now, y'all want to say, okay, what is the blue wrench? See, Liv recently started back modding for Jasmine. Yeah. Now, when I seen the bullshit, I said, okay, so you modding for Jasmine. All right. And you already know what Liv the Stallion has done to you. You already know that your BFF / your sister does not care for Liv the Stallion at all. Doesn't care for her. But you over here, you done gave her the wrench. Now, when you was on that camera crying and eating snot, you said you didn't know what was going on. That's how we know, Jasmine, that there is clearly something going on, you know what I mean, in the top of your head. I mean, just a little bit. It's something definitely going on. So now when this happened, Liv, you already know, Liv, that Chrissy was looking at you real crazy. Now, Liv, we already know that was your point. What you basically was making was, fuck your best friend. I don't like her. I don't give a fuck. I am going to mod for you and say whatever I want to say while I'm modding to your subscribers. And throw a little bit of shade here and there with Chrissy. Now, Liv, okay. I know you're going to say that you didn't try to throw no shade or anything or whatever. But yes, you did the other day. You threw a little bit of shade that slid right on underneath of the rug, but you already know your girl Reese. I'm real sharp and I can smell shade and feel shade a mile away. Okay? So when you threw the actual shade, I said, God damn it, let me go ahead and put on these glasses because Liv is throwing the shade and she's trying to do it so effortlessly where nobody even sees it or thinks something is wrong. All right. But y'all already know that I'm petty. So I was going to see it. Okay. So look, y'all. So Liv is over there talking about, yes, and the video has came to an end. And what I want to do is I want to speak on something because I feel some type of way about it. Okay, so I am getting, people are saying that I'm being evicted or whatever, blah, blah, blah. And I just want to let you people know that I am not being evicted. When someone says that you are being evicted, that is basically like saying that you are not stable. And I'm looking at the camera like, girl, you still on your bullshit. I'm looking, I said, Liv the Stallion. You ain't even have to say nothing about that. The Stallion. Liv, this is the thing that you gotta know, Liv. Liv, you already put it out there that you are that boss bitch. Okay, so not only have you put that out there, Liv, but you have also put out there that you are Liv the Stallion. Okay, so you need to correct these people around here, you get me, and make them show some respect to you, because you the stallion. The stallion only deserves nothing but respect. Nothing but it. Liv, myself, when I see you, I feel like Liv, because you such a stallion. You should have a maid, you get me? You should have your own butler. You should have a driver to drive your 2000-year-old Benz around. You should have all of that, Liv. I feel like those cigarettes that you pick up and you put in your mouth, those basically cancer sticks, you are too good to even hold that in between your lips. You need somebody to hold that for you. See, Liv, I already know and see all of the greatness in you. I already know. Yo, I'm such a fucking fool. It ain't even, it's ridiculous. I already know, y'all. I already know. I'm such a fool. I really am. Now, Liv, another thing. Can you please just stop telling us that you don't love Brandon and you know what I mean? He's not the one and all this old bullshit. We don't want to hear that dumbass shit. We don't care if you like Brandon or love him or not, because you know why, Olivia? We are going to see him in other videos because you don't have no other person to put in them. Now, Liv, you are over there. You are one day crying, one day happy, one day your stomach hurt, one day it don't hurt, one day you hate Gerard, one day you like Gerard, one day you love Gerard, one day you love Brandon. I mean, you over there all over the place, baby. So there is a certain type of person that is going to have to deal with you. Every man is not up to that. Now, if Brandon has seen the way you act with everything that's going on with you, and he still wants to be with you, even after you said that you and Brandon was a couple. But you went back the other day on your live and said you still love Gerard and that basically you were sleeping with Gerard. So at that time, you was with Brandon. So it threw me off the loop. I'm like, okay, so one night is Brandon, one night is Gerard. One night is Brandon, next night is Brandon, next night Gerard. Like, girl. So if you even did become pregnant, Olivia, you wouldn't even know who the father was. What type of Mary Provich shit is that? You wouldn't know. That's why when you thought that you was pregnant, you probably was happy as shit. I'm telling you, you probably was happy. You like, whew, I beat that bullet, because I'm telling y'all right now, y'all already know I go on my drunken and binges and my high binges. I don't know who I just slept with. Okay, the only thing I know is I woke up with that person in my bed. I could have did something earlier in that day and then had someone come over late at night, and baby, I don't even remember because I'm through. I said Olivia is definitely tripping hard. And Gerard, you got a girlfriend. Why would you want to just keep sleeping with Olivia? That's just real weird to me. I mean, both of y'all ridiculous. I'm sorry. Gerard and Olivia, y'all really need each other because Olivia is a fucking shit show, and Gerard, you a shit show as well. Yes, you are. Because Gerard, you try to, you know what? I ain't even gonna get into it. Yeah, both of y'all are complete shit shows. And it definitely shows. Okay. Olivia has a shit show at least 2 to 3 times a week. And now Jasmine has taught her how to have cash at parties and how to beg. So people are sending her in coins. And she already knows the one subscriber, I think her name is Carol. Carol probably can claim Olivia on her income taxes. That is how much she sends Olivia money in. I don't know if Carol sends Olivia the money in so that she can then look at Liv, go, oh my God. Carol, I really want to meet you so much. Carol, Carol. Oh, Carol, you are Carol, I love you, Carol. Carol, you are one of my loyalty gangs. Carol, Carol, Yeah, so you get me? I'm wondering if that's the reason why Carol does that. But I mean, I don't know, okay? But anyway, y'all, I'm going to go ahead and slide on up off of here. And I'm going to see you beautiful people in the next video later.